Hawaii yet, but this came from Hawaii. They're beautiful. She's got 5 of them. This one, there, and she's got 2 over here. And these 2 are doing great. Look at that. They're beautiful. They are really, I can't wait to have pineapples.
Yes, and what I did was I planted them in an area where I can greenhouse this small section, because Louisiana's winters, they will have to stay covered. This is a tropical fruit, which is why pineapple grows so well on Maui. Yeah, that's just a little pumpkin one. Let's go talk about this corn.
The other day we had a heck of a blow. Tornado warnings, rain, torrential rains. And if you'll notice, each corn stalk is tied to a rope. It knocked all the corn down. Corn's naturally a shallow rooted plant. But some beautiful stalks. When did the wind hit? 2-3 days ago?
2 days ago.
You might save it, Samantha. It looks green. It looks like it's living. It's not dead.
No, I mean, now you can tell we had to thin out sections because it actually broke the stalks.
Yeah.
It was so it was tremendous.
I see some of the stalks have been cut.
Yeah.
I love this. Like planting that squat. Look at that.
Yeah, that's that zucchini.
Yeah.
You can go ahead and take that one up.
Planting that down in your corn. Ooh, that stuff's got little stickers on it.
Yes, sir.
Come on, baby. Come on.
This is also an heirloom zucchini.
Ooh, that looks good. That looks good.
Yeah, it's beautiful.
And planting it inside your corn like this, it saves space. It just utilizes the space.
Now, I do want to point out that I have been hit by the squash vine borer, folks.
I've been hit too.
But if you notice, look how big and how green the plants still are. It's all about your soil health. A healthy plant can withstand reasonable pest attacks.
It definitely can.
But if your plant is already weak because your soil is lacking, well, you've lost the fight before it ever started. So that is clover.
I think that's the prettiest clover I've seen in a
Yeah,
while.
so if you notice, our soil is covered with a heavy mulch. And then we just got, ground cover going on. We've got sweet potato vines going on. Yeah, I see a squash in here that's ready too.
See a squash. I see 3 of them.
Ooh wee, look at that big old sucker. Look at that.
I see 3 of them back in there. Look over there by the fence.
I sure do. And what it is, all that rain we've been getting.
Yeah, they'll come on now.
Yep.
Look at that. There's one more down in there somewhere.
I see it.
Oh, look at that.
Yep, let's go check this one.
I went out this morning and picked a load of squash out of my yard.
Yeah, my yellow squash is just really starting to come on. Can be used to set bones, Daddy. Yeah. Can also be used as a potassium fertilizer and to feed your livestock. Yeah. Yes, or all that's peppermint.
Once you start, you can't hardly get rid of it.
No, you can't, but it's such a great pest deterrent. So I picked the comfrey to feed my livestock, my rabbits. My dad's helping me weed because the heavy mulch we used this year, folks, well, it just didn't do the job the way I wanted it. I will say this though, it's not hurting having all the clover and the flowers growing. The garden's booming. So, you know what they say, more roots in the soil means you have more biological activity. So the plants that are out here are healthier than if they were in bare soil. So for anybody that likes bare soil gardening, this garden may be hard for you to look at. But everything's organic here. I absolutely use no pesticides, no fungicides. I'm going to pull it and feed it too. Oh, sorry, it was already dying. My little corn. So I tell everybody, they ask me, how can you grow in South Louisiana without tilling, without fertilizers, without pesticides? Because I don't plant just one thing. There's multiple species growing here with cover crops and flowers all around them. And it's working.
It works good too.
It's beautiful, isn't it?
Yeah.
Now, all the tomatoes are on that side of the garden over there, along with eggplant, More corn, and all the okra is on that end out there.
When your okra comes down, I need to buy some.
Yeah, I'll give it to you. I've got 3 types. I've got heirloom cowhorn, I've got red okra, and I've got the green velvet.
I'm not sure red okra.
It's red. I never tried it either. We're going to try it this year.
Well, cowhorn usually get to be pretty good size before it starts getting hard.
Yes.
You got a little more lee room on harvest.
Yes, you do. And I like the heirloom crops that I've grown in this soil, like that corn. They grow tremendously well in this environment.
Yeah, because look over there. The other corn.
Yeah, it's completely different.
That's white corn. You see?
Yeah, that's a white corn that's going to be used to make tortillas.
And look at this. They were planted at the same time?
Yes.
Oh my God.
Completely different, I know. Guys, thank y'all for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more tips on how to garden with Pawpaw Sammy.
Amen.